So if you're trying to lose weight and you're over 40, the last thing you need is another diet. But what you do need is a metabolism reset. And that's what I'm here for. If you haven't checked it out already, I have a $5 30-day metabolism reset. I'll link it right here. We're on day 4. And we're going to be going over just what we're going to be putting into our bodies for the day. And these exact ingredients of these foods work chemically inside of your body to finally reset your metabolism and get it back to working like it did when you were 20. But if we're just meeting for the first time, my name is Melissa, and you need to go back and check out these 3 videos first, because that gets you on board with understanding the digital guide, deciding if you're going to pick that up or if you're just going to follow along on here, which is totally fine. We just go over breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We talk about the science-based reasons why they're going to help you regulate your metabolism, regulate your blood sugar levels, fix your digestion. So this 30-day metabolism reset is timeless. You can do it at any time. It's just very important that you start at the beginning and follow along, go through days 1 through 30, follow it as closely as possible. You'll notice when you pick up the guide, there is a page on here. So we have our week 1 shopping list. We already went over all that. But right here, it's daily additions. That means there's unlimited use of these daily additions. It has things like the turmeric, garlic powder, pink Himalayan salt, cayenne pepper, cinnamon, a lot of the things for seasoning and making it more flavorful. And as far as the beverages go, you can have unlimited water with lemon, obviously, green tea, peppermint tea is such a good one, and kombucha. So that's what I like about the digital guide. It lays everything out, so neat and clean for you. So those of us who are on day 4, here's what we're going to be putting into our bodies today. We're going to start with breakfast. How cute are the little breakfast bowls? I love these. And it has the kefir. Now the kefir almost turns into like a pudding mixture since we added in the chia seeds. So the chia seeds go to work with the protein, fiber, helps you feel full and satisfied. Chia seeds are great for that. Add them in whenever you can. There is banana in there. So you can kind of see the chunks of banana. And on top, the cinnamon for flavor. But what I want to tell you about this is if the kefir is too potent, if the kefir is too much of a bitter taste, go ahead and add in a little bit of honey as well. It's not on the sheet, but since you're checking out the video on here anyways, I'm telling you the best way to get used to kefir until your palate changes is just to sweeten it up a little bit more. And another great thing that is in breakfast today is the almond butter. But this breakfast has the probiotics, goes to work at repairing that gut health. And this is one that's really going to leave you feeling full and satisfied. And it's just not something that we always think to put into our bodies. So I love this breakfast. And that brings us to day 4, lunch. And this one we definitely have to appreciate. So we're having the leafy greens. And let me grab a fork so you can actually see what's happening. So you get to have the bed of the leafy greens, which if you haven't fallen in love with leafy greens instead of pasta, please try to do so. And then we have our grilled chicken or baked chicken or air fried chicken on top, however you want to do your chicken. And then we have the avocado, pico de gallo. Of course, I'm always squeezing lemon over everything. I probably always stink like either garlic or lemon because it is just always a staple. But what I really love about this one is the dressing. So it is just a tablespoon of olive oil. And I know what you're thinking, a tablespoon of olive oil is not going to fill that little cup that much. That's because I squeezed lemon in there. And then what's giving it that dark color, I added in turmeric, cayenne pepper, ginger, and squeezed the lemon in there. And that's what I'm going to drizzle all over this beautiful salad. And the flavoring of that is just absolutely to die for. And again, are we looking at these portions? I know when we think about being on a weight loss meal plan or a diet or a fad diet, we think we're going to be hungry, but there's no way to be hungry with this size portion of food and how it goes to work at stabilizing those blood sugar levels for you. So this might be one of my favorite lunches, but you'll probably hear me say that throughout the whole 30 days. And finally, that brings us to day 4 dinner, which is the ground turkey, broccoli, and bell peppers. Now, again, bell peppers and broccoli are one of the best foods to put into your body for fiber and also for fighting against inflammation that has been built up inside of our bodies. I take my lemon, I squeeze it over the top, I add in my other seasonings. Look at this. And remember, if any of these flavorings aren't your favorite or you feel like there isn't enough flavor just with what I tell you to make up in the guide, feel free. I think that garlic covers a multitude of sins. Add a little bit more garlic powder. Drizzle a little bit of the extra virgin olive oil over it. Whatever you need to do to start changing that palate, putting these clean whole foods into your body, that's what's going to go to work at resetting your metabolism and just getting all that inflammation out of your body, going to work at repairing the gut health, all the things you always hear me talk about. But that's what it is for day 4. Absolutely delicious, plenty of food. You're going to stay full and satisfied. You're not going to have hunger, spikes and dips. If this all sounds good to you, remember, I'll link it here and I'll link it down in the show notes. Grab the 30-day digital guide. That way you can follow along with us. It's going to come right to your tablet, right to your phone, and you are going to get each week's shopping list, day 1, day 2, day 3, all the way up to day 30. I just can't recommend this enough for you guys. Like I said, I love that you join me each day, check out what we're eating, and mimic it yourself. You can also check out my shorts on YouTube. I talk about and I post the exact meal plan each day. All I'm wanting is for everybody to get the weight loss results that they want, understand that it works with human biology and the chemical components that need to go into your body after 40. All I want is for you to share this with friends and family that are struggling. They've tried all the yo-yo diets. They've tried all of the fad diets. They've tried only eating meat, only eating vegetables. Nothing's working. I promise you this is going to work. Stick with it for 30 days. If you're still needing to catch up or you're still not convinced, go back and check out those first 3 videos that I told you to watch and follow along each day with us. And already by day 4, I am noticing a flatter stomach. Inflammation has gone down. My body composition is well on its way to changing completely for me in the next 30 days. And I want all of that for you as well. So I'm Melissa with Healthy Days. Thank you so much for coming and checking out my video. And I hope you will join. And I'll see you in the next one.